US Bank Cash Plus Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if I told you there's a cashback credit card that gives you flexibility few others offer, yet most people completely misunderstand how to maximize it? You won't believe what happens next when you understand the power of category selection and how it can boost your rewards. Today, we are diving into the US Bank Cash Plus Credit Card for 2025, breaking down whether it's truly worth it or something you should leave behind. Let's start with the basics. The US Bank Cash Plus Credit Card is a flexible cashback card designed to let you choose where your rewards matter most. Instead of fixed categories, you pick 2 categories that earn higher rewards, plus you get a set percentage on all other purchases. Most people get this wrong because they don't rotate their categories strategically, but here's why it matters. The difference can be hundreds of dollars a year in extra cashback if used correctly. First, let's look at the reward structure. The card allows you to choose 2 categories each quarter to earn 5% cashback. These categories can include things like restaurants, department stores, home utilities, gas stations, or electronics. Then, all other purchases earn 1% cashback. The 5% categories are limited to spending up to $2,000 per quarter, after which purchases revert to 1%. That's a common pitfall people miss. They hit the cap, but keep using the category thinking it still earns 5%. So, how do you maximize this card? Step 1. Pick your categories based on predictable, recurring spending. Think about where you spend most every month. For example, if you consistently spend on groceries and gas, choose those as your 2 categories for a quarter. This ensures you hit the 5% cashback on purchases you were going to make anyway. Step 2. Track your quarterly spending. The 5% cap is easy to hit if you're not careful, especially for larger families or high spenders. Next, let's discuss fees. The US Bank Cash Plus credit card comes with no annual fee, which makes it an ideal card for both beginners and seasoned cashback users. There is an APRA, which varies based on creditworthiness, so the key is to pay your balance in full each month. If you carry a balance, the interest can quickly erode the value of your rewards. Remember, the real power of cashback cards comes from paying off your purchases, not from borrowing money at high rates. Now, let's compare it to other cashback cards. Unlike standard 1.5% or 2% flat rate cards, this card gives you strategic high reward opportunities. That 5% can make a huge difference over the course of a year. Compared to other category-based cards that have rotating or preset categories, the US Bank Cash Plus gives you control. You decide which categories matter most to you. No guessing, no adjusting to what the card decides, which is rare in today's credit card market. But there are a few things to watch out for. 1. Don't forget to change your categories each quarter. The bank will send reminders, but many people miss them. If you don't update, you could be earning 1% on what could be 5% purchases. 2. Don't overspend just to earn rewards. Cashback is only valuable if it's on purchases you would make anyway. Buying extra items you don't need just for 5% back can backfire. And 3. Monitor the quarterly cap. If you go over $2,000 in a category, additional spending earns 1%. Still not bad, but not the premium rate. Now, let's talk about perks beyond rewards. The US Bank Cash Plus offers fraud protection and zero liability on unauthorized charges, which is standard among major credit cards. There is also access to online account management, mobile alerts, and the ability to view your cashback earnings in real time. These features make it easy to stay on top of spending and ensure you are optimizing your rewards. Another strategic advantage is combining this card with other cards. Many savvy users pair a flexible cashback card like this with a flat rate card. For example, you can earn 5% on select categories here. Then use a 2% flat rate card for all other purchases. This kind of stacking maximizes total cash back across different spending types, allowing you to get more out of your credit cards than just relying on one. Now, let's address who this card is best for. If you are someone who wants control over your rewards categories, plans predictable spending, and pays your balance in full each month, this card is ideal. It's also good for families or individuals who have a consistent monthly budget across multiple categories, because the 5% rewards can add up quickly. If you're someone who wants simplicity, like a flat rate cashback with no thinking, this card might require more attention than you prefer. On the flip side, who should leave this card alone? If you are not organized, frequently forget to change categories, or tend to carry a balance, the potential rewards may not justify the effort. Also, if you already have a high reward flat rate card, You might find this card redundant unless you plan to strategically stack categories for maximum benefit. Now, let's break down an example to illustrate the earning potential. Imagine you spend $500 a month on groceries and $200 on gas. You set those as your two 5% categories. Over 3 months, that's $1,500 in groceries and $600 in gas, $2,100 total. The first $2,000 earns 5%, giving you $100 cash back, and the remaining $100 earns 1%, giving you an additional $1. That's $101 in just 3 months from predictable spending, plus 1% on all other purchases, like streaming services or small purchases. Over a year, that can easily add up to $400, $500 in rewards, and sometimes more if you adjust categories to align with seasonal spending. Another feature to highlight is cashback redemption flexibility. With U.S. Bank, you can redeem cashback for a statement credit, deposit into a U.S. bank checking or savings account, or even gift cards. This gives you the freedom to use rewards in the way that best fits your financial goals. For some people, this flexibility is more valuable than automatic redemption or limited redemption options offered by other cards. Let's also consider the competition in 2025. Many banks have moved toward flat-rate cashback cards, some offering 2% everywhere, and some with rotating categories you don't control. The U.S. Bank Cash Plus stands out because it gives you the flexibility to tailor your rewards to your lifestyle rather than the card's preferences. That personalization is rare and gives this card a competitive edge for disciplined users. But the card isn't perfect. The 5% categories cap of $2,000 per quarter can be limiting for high spenders. If you exceed that limit, additional spending earns only 1%, which is lower than some competitor cards offering 2% flat. So, high-spending households may need to use this card strategically alongside other high-reward cards to maximize total earnings. Another point worth mentioning is credit requirements. This card is generally targeted to people with good to excellent credit, typically in the 670+ range. If your credit is below that, you may be declined, or you may not get the full potential rewards. It's important to know your credit standing before applying to avoid unnecessary hard inquiries that can temporarily impact your score. Finally, let's talk about the long-term value. This card rewards strategic users who plan their spending and rotate categories. If used properly, it can generate hundreds of dollars a year in cash back without any annual fee. More importantly, it gives users the flexibility to adjust categories based on changing spending habits, seasonal expenses, or life changes. That kind of adaptability can be the difference between moderate and maximized cash back over multiple years. So, is the U.S. Bank Cash Plus credit card worth it in 2025? The answer is yes if you're organized, strategic, and ready to actively manage your categories. It's flexible, fee-free, and can generate significant cash back when used properly. But if you're looking for something set it and forget it, or if you tend to carry a balance, it may not be the best choice. In conclusion, the U.S. Bank Cash Plus credit card is a hidden gem for those willing to put in the effort to customize their rewards. With careful category selection, mindful spending, and strategic stacking, it can provide a substantial boost to your cashback earnings and give you more control over your financial strategy. It's a card that rewards planning and discipline qualities that translate to better financial health in the long run. If this guide helped you, remember to like this video, share it with someone looking to optimize their cashback, and subscribe for more 2025 credit card reviews and financial insights that help you make smarter money decisions.